Jaiswal, class B Farm third year student. Next, this Rangoli of World Pharmacist Day showing pharmacists and formulations prepared by Komal Pavitrakar, B Farm third year student. Okay. Next, this Rangoli is prepared by Monica Dhande, B Farm final year student. She includes the today's theme of Pharmacist Day, that is contributing transforming global health. B Farm final year student. Next, this Rangoli is prepared by Pallavi Dhamankar, final year student. Such a beautiful Rangolis, and number of participants have submitted their Rangolis for the competition. Out of these Rangolis, the jury members will select some shortlisted some Rangolis, and then after some time and we will let you know the results of Rangoli competition. Now I would like to hand over the session for oral presentation over to Panchal madam.
Yes, thank you, sir. So, as you all know, I hope I am audible to all. So, as you all know, we are celebrating Pharmacist Day, and we have organized some competition here. So, the first competition was oral presentation, and we have a team of students who have participated. So, the first student is Vedika Sarode. We will share her slides and she will explain it. Okay, so Vedika, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. So Suraj sir,
Good
I would like to
afternoon.
share. Yes, good afternoon. So Suraj sir, please share her slides.
Good afternoon to all. Happy Pharmacist Day. Myself, Vedika Sarode, I am B.Pharm final year student of Dr. Rajendra Gori Institute of Pharmacy, Amravati. Thanks for giving me opportunity to present myself on this beautiful day of World Pharmacist Day. So my today's topic of presentation is drug discovery, and the drug I chose is favipiravir. So I'm going to give a brief presentation about it. So slides are not visible.
The slides are not visible. Will you open it? Suraj sir.
Is it visible now?
Yes, Vedika. Go ahead now.
Yes, ma'am. First of all, what is drug discovery? Sir, third slide. The definition of the drug discovery, the process by which drugs are discovered and designed, or the process are involved that first identification and validation of target and candidates. Second, the synthesis, optimization and characterization. Third, the screening and assay for therapeutic efficacy. Fourth, the drug development, and the fifth are clinical trials. Despite advances in technology and understanding of biological drug, discovery is still lengthy, expensive, difficult, and inefficient processes, and the low rate of new therapeutic discovery. So, next slide. I'm going to give a general introduction about the favipiravir. So the general introduction of this, that favipiravir sold under the brand name Avigan, and among others is an antiviral medication used to treat influenza in Japan. It also being studied to treat a number of antiviral drugs like T1105 and T1106. It is a pyrazine carboxamide derivative, and the chemical structure I have already mentioned there, and the IUPAC name is 6-fluoro-3 hydroxypyrazine 2-carboxamide, and the formula is C5H4FN3O2, and the molecular mass of this is 157.14 gram per mole. So next slide. It is being developed and manufactured by Toima Chemicals and was approved for medicinal use in Japan in 2014. And in 2016, the Fujifilm licensed to Zhejiang Hesun Pharmaceuticals Cooperative of China. It became a generic drug in 2019, allowing the company to produce in the People's of Republic of China. Now, this drug is used in the treatment of COVID-19. The next slide is about properties, pharmacokinetics, and pharmacodynamics of favipiravir. So the first is favipiravir has a molecular weight of 157.1 gram per mole. And second, it has a high absorption rate of 97.6%. Third, it has a plasma protein binding activity of 54% with 65% of binding to the serum of albumin acid and the 6.5% of binding to the alpha acid and glycoproteins. Fourth, the favipiravir is a product which metabolizes by ribosylation and phosphorylation, forming an active form known as favipiravir. Ribofuranocide 5-triphosphate means favipiravir RTP. Fifth, favipiravir metabolites are eliminated by renal excretion. Treatment of influenza A and B viruses, treatment of Ebola virus, and treatment of yellow fever, and treatment of Nipah virus are still on trial. Next slide is about mechanism of action of favipiravir. The active form favipiravir RTP binds to and inhibits the RNA dependent RNA polymerase RDRP. It's also known as preventing viral transcription and replication. Research into mechanism of action of favipiravir has been related of hypothetical processes that may be generated by the product after metabolism to its active form, such as incorporation of favipiravir RTP into a newly formed RNA strand, preventing into elongation and proliferation of the viral genome. Another is competitive binding of RNA-dependent RNA polymerase by the favipiravir RTP and purine nucleosides, which ultimately affects viral replication and transcription. The next slide is the diagrammatical representation of mechanism of favipiravir. So the drug is used to get incorporate and uncoating there happens with protein synthesis. And then favipiravir RTP in active form replicates with protein synthesis, and then there is a presentation there is the ribosylation and phosphorylation happens, and after the drug get released. So the next is about contraindication of favipiravir. So next slide. The contraindications of favipiravir are the major and commonly known as contraindication of favipiravir is its effect on a pregnant and lactating woman, which has been associated with embryonic deaths and teratogenicity. Drug interactions with favipiravir are some of the drugs that interact with favipiravir have shown to have the effect of reduced or increased metabolism. reduced or increased excretion, and reduced and or increased in a serum concentration when combined with favipiravir. Some examples include acyclovir, a nucleoside along antiviral used to treat herpes simplex, varicella zoster, herpes zoster, or favipiravir decrease the rate of excretion of acyclovir when combined. So the next contraindications are, sir, next slide please. Reduced body weight, vomiting, reduced locomotive activity. Adverse side effect includes decreased production of red blood cells and increased liver function such as production of aspartate, aminotransferase, alkaline phosphatase, alanine aminotransferase, and total albumin. Increased vascularization in hepatocytes. It is a teratogenic, meaning it can cause a contagious effects and therefore should be avoided in pregnant women. So next slide. This slide is about research on favipiravir. Favipiravir is a broad spectrum antiviral drug with evidence-based research on its efficacy of antiviral activity in several human RNA viruses such as influenza viruses, Nipah viruses, viral hemorrhagic fever like Ebola virus, Lassa virus, and rabies. The second, it has been also used in treatment of severe fever caused by a thrombocytopenia syndrome. This treatment has shown effectiveness with no cases of developed resistance to favipiravir reported. In 2016, favipiravir was used in the treatment of Ebola virus, and it showed decrease in mortality for patients with a low and moderate viral load in the blood, but no effect was noted in the patients with high levels of viral load with high risk of death. Other studies for other viral infections such as Zika virus, yellow fever, and West Nile virus, infections of Banya virus or Alpha virus, Arena virus are going on. So next slide. Now recently on the COVID-19, the favipiravir is used. Like as of recent, favipiravir was one of the experimental drugs on trial for COVID, a viral infection caused by the novel coronavirus SARS-CoV-2. So far, the drug has shown 80% efficacy, and it's moving to the third phase of the trial against. The underlying mechanism of the favipiravir is a metabolization of active form, which inhibits the action of RNA-dependent RNA polymerase, stopping transcription and replication. The initial study was done in Japan and the China in February 2020, with evidences of the reduced time of viral clearance. It has been approved for use in the treatment of COVID-19 in China, Japan, Italy, and Russia as on June 2020. So next slide. So all this information I collected on the reference of Indian Journal of Pharmaceutical Research, Google means Wikipedia, and SlideShare. So here I end up my slide sharing and presentation. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Vedika. So next I call upon Anjali Nikhare from final year. So Anjali, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So Suresh sir, please share her slides.
You should also note down the time. We have only 8 minutes. So if there is any disturbance between this, it will be continued after that. Okay. All should
Yes,
rejoin this meeting.
Yes, sir. If it is disconnected, it will be continued in next session. So you should rejoin again, and please see that your mics are off. Okay. Please take note of it.
Is it visible? Slide
No,
size?
sir, not visible.
Okay. Is it
First,
visible
you have to
now?
open this slide. First, you have to open the slide, then go for the sharing. Then it will be displayed.
Yes, so good afternoon to everyone and happy Pharmacist Day to all my respected teachers and everyone. So my drug name is Roslitric, that is the Entectinib. Sir, next please.
Just a minute.
So Roslitric, that is a synonym is Entectinib. Roslitric, that is Entectinib, is a kinase inhibitor indicated for the treatment of neurotropic tyrosine receptor kinase fusion positive and advanced solid tumors in adults and pediatric patients. So it is basically used in the treatment of tyrosine receptor kinase fusion positive and advanced solid tumors in adults and pediatric patients. So drug discovery of Roslitric, that is Entectinib, is drug name is Roslitric, synonym is Entectinib. Drug developer is Roche and Chungal Pharmaceutical. Therapy class is kinase inhibitor. Year of invention is 15 August 2019. Current indication in the solid tumors. Market sector is oncology. Development status is approved in Japan. So, sir, next slide. Now, introduction of Roslitric is Roslitric received breakthrough therapy and orphan drug designation from the US Food and Drug Administration, that is FDA, and priority medicines designation from the European Medicine Agency in 2017. So the Roslitric taken the priority in 2017 and approved in June 2019. So the drug was first approved by the Japanese Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare in June 2019. It has secured orphan drug and Sekige designation in the country. Now, Roslitric is currently being reviewed in Europe and US for the treatment of advanced solid tumors. It is also being reviewed for the treatment of ROS1 fusion positive lung cancer in Japan. Sir, next please. Sir, next slide. Now, this is the chemical. Sir, previous slide. So this is a chemical structure of Entectinib. Molecular formula is here C31, H34, F2, N6 and O2. Molecular weight is near about 560 gram per molar. Sir, next. So dosage and formulation strength. So it is present in capsule form in 100 mg or 200 mg. Dosage and administration. Select patient for treatment based on presence of ROS1 rearrangements or anti-RK gene fusion. Its dose is given. So recommended dosage for ROS1 positive non-small cell lung cancer is 600 mg orally once daily, and recommended dosage for anti-RK gene fusion positive solid tumors in adults it is 600 mg orally once daily, and in pediatric patient 12 years and older, recommended dosage is based on the body surface area. So body surface greater than 1.50 meters square, then it is given 600 mg once daily, and body surface area is 1.1 to 1.50 meters square, then it will be 500 mg once daily, and body surface area 0.91 to 1.10 meters square, then it will be 400 mg once daily. So next slide please. Now its mechanism of action. So Roslitric bind to and blocks anti-RK, ROS1 and anaplastic lymphoma kinase, that is ALKs, overexpression in various types of solid tumors. Basically block three enzymes, that is anti-RK, ROS1 and anaplastic lymphoma kinase, that is ALK. So it results in the inhibition of signaling pathways mediated by the genes required for cancer cell proliferation and causing a tumor cell death. As we seen in the picture, it's mode of action. So, sir, next slide, please. Now, drug interaction. So it interacts basically with CYP3A inhibitors and inducers. So moderate and strong CYP3A inhibitors for adults and pediatric patient 12 years and older with a body mass greater than 1.50 meter square reduce the dose of Roslitric. If co-administration of Roslitric happens, then it harm to our body. And for pediatric patients 12 years and older with the body mass area less than or equal to 1.50 meter square, then avoid co-administration of the Roslitric. So now moderate and strong CYP3 inducers, we want to avoid the Roslitric drug. Now adverse effects are like that. It basically affect to the CNS. So, sir, previous slide. So its adverse effects like constipation, dyspnea, edema, dizziness, diarrhea, nausea, and conjunctive impairment, increased weight, cough, vomiting, pyrexia, athalgia, and vision disorder. So next.
Anjani,
Yes, sir.
last 1 minute is remaining. Remaining part of oral presentation and other sessions we will continue from next session.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Next session, that means it is continued just after that one, or it is 3:30?
On 3:30.
Okay. So tell
Okay,
the
sir.
students also.
All the students hereby inform that the next session will start at 3:30 p.m. You should join the session for the remaining session. Remaining part.
Sir, slide चली गई. Sir, slide invisible है.
Slides are not
Yadav sir, make the some settings over there so
Okay,
that
sir.
the other
Okay.
student get to share other slides also over there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So, so first one is have a neurotropic tyrosine receptor kinase gene fusion without a known acquired resistance mutation. Second one is are a metablastic or where surgical resection is likely to result in severe morbidity. And third one is have a progress following treatment or have no satisfactory alternative therapy. So this indication is approved under accelerated approval based on tumor response rate and durability of response. Continue approval for this indication may be contingent upon verification and description of clinical benefit in the confirmatory trials. So next. Here is the Reslotric drug, that is anti-cancer agent, is finished. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Anjali. Now I call next student, that is Riya Bavankar from 3rd year.
Yes, ma'am.
Riya, yes. Sir, please open the presentation.
Yes, ma'am. Which one is this?
No, sir. Good afternoon to all of you. First of all, happy Pharmacist Day to all of you. And I am presenting my oral presentation in front of you through online session. Here, the topic is drug discovery, and the drug is hello.
Yeah, you are audible.
Next
Yes.
slide. Next slide, sir. The drug azelnidipine sold in Japan by Daiichi Sankyo Pharmaceuticals, and it is launched under brand name Azusa and Azua. The layout my presentation is introduction of the drug discovery, then introductory part of the drug, mechanism of action of the drug, pharmacokinetics, their structural activity and relationship, contraindication, adverse effects and their medicinal uses, then the current scenario and the reference of the drug. Next slide. What is in my drug discovery? In our medicine or in our pharmacist or biotechnology or pharmacology, the drug discovery is a process by which new candidate medications are discovered, which is discovered early or which is historically discovered by the active ingredient or from the traditional remedies. We have to modify it. Next slide, please.
Priya, you are not audible.
Mass of the drug. Hello.
Yes,
Hello?
you are not audible. Now you are audible.
Okay. The category of drug is calcium channel blocker, and the physical properties of drug insoluble in water means highly lipophilic, and the route of administration is oral. Next slide, please, sir. Okay. Then mechanism of action of drug is this drug is transmembrane L type and T type of calcium influx voltage dependent channels of the smooth muscles of vascular walls. Its calcium channel induces the smooth muscles contraction and contributing to the hypertension, means it reduces the hypertension and decreases the blood pressure and relaxation of vascular smooth muscles walls. It also results in the vasodilation and reduce heart rate. It also inhibits the aldosterone synthesis and release. Next slide, please. So here is the pharmacokinetics of the drug, and pharmacokinetics includes absorption, distribution of the drug, their protein binding, metabolism, route of elimination, and also half-life. So absorption is orally ingested, and it is dose dependent absorption. The volume of distribution of the drug is 403.3 plus minus 71.4, and the protein binding is 90 to 91%. Metabolism is first pass metabolism, and this drug is metabolized by hepatic cytochrome P45 enzyme, and the route of elimination 26% through the urine and 63% through the feces, and half-life of the drug is 16 to 28 hours. Tmax is 22.3 to 2.7. Next slide, please. The structural activity relationship of azelnidepine. R1 should be unsubstituted. It carries such a group. Mostly R1 and R2 having a alkyl group. Replacement of R2 with basic amino ethyl ether chain, resulting more potent. And replacement of R2 with hydrogen or aryl group, it decreases the loss of activity. Alkoxycarbonyl group gives more optimum activity by substitution of R5 position. Next slide. So on the contraindications, which is important, and the medicinal uses, side effects of the drug. Contraindications are hypersensitivity. Then it is contraindicated to pregnant women, nursing women, or also it is very much concomitant administration of the systemic azole antifungal agent, example fluconazole, and also administration of HIV protease inhibitor atazanavir. Medicinal uses of the drug, azelnidepine used in the treatment of hypertension, which results in decrease in blood pressure. It also reduces the proteinuria, means increase in the level of protein in urine. Also reduce the glomerular hypertension, means the decrease in mechanical stress of glomerular nephron.
in the glomerular, and also which decreases the pressure on such cells like podocytes or endothelial tissues. It also exhibits the antioxidant property, means increases the activity of increases the capacity of oxygen, and also improves the endothelial function. It also preserves the insulin signaling, also reduce the serum uric acid hypertensive patient with hyperuricemia. Sixth, exhibit cardioprotective, neuroprotective, renal protective, and pedal edema. Side effects of the drug. Here are some common side effects: headache, nausea, ankle swelling, dizzying, fatigue, flushing, palpitation. Next slide. Current scenario, this drug is calcium channel blocker and enhance the vascular protective effect of AT1 receptor blocker, which is angiotensin receptor blocker, which and the available tablets in the market, that is Azovas 8 mg tablet and Azusa 16 tablets over here. Next slide, please. And reference is from some calcium channel blocker poisoning info from Google, and SlideShare drug itself azelnidipine, and it is dihydropyridine group. So I selected from this. So that is my presentation. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ria. So further, I would like to tell Suraj sir to continue the program. Here the oral presentation is over now. So Suraj sir, please continue the next competition.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to share poster competition slide shares. Is it visible? Hello?
Yes, sir, it is visible now.
Okay. For the poster competition, number of candidates have participated. This is the first poster prepared by Pranjal Deshmukh from B.Pharm second year. Next, the role of pharmacist in pandemic situation. This poster is prepared by Karan Sabe, D.Pharm second year, DRG COP. Next, this poster is prepared by Sachin Dakre, B.Pharm final year, and the topic is World Pharmacist Day, and according to that, pharmacists and their duties he have explained. Next, the World Pharmacist Day with the theme of pharmacist integral part of healthcare system. This poster is prepared by Bhagyashree Sakole from B.Pharm third year. The next poster is prepared by Monica Dhande from B.Pharm final year on the topic of pharmacist integral part of healthcare system. Next one. The role of pharmacist in various phases and various faculties, various purposes. This poster is prepared by Ria Kherde from B.Pharm final year. Next poster, World Pharmacist Day with the reference of one of the warrior of the pandemic. As one of the warrior of the pandemic, this poster is prepared by Anjani Nikhare from B.Pharm final year student. These are the posters prepared by various students Out of this, jury members will select or shortlisted some of posters, and result will shown or with result will display after some time or after some session. Next, I would like to share the drawing competition slides. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir. Visible.
Drawing competition. For this, first drawing is made by Dhanasri Sarwan from BPharm third year student. She have mentioned or she have imagined the role of pharmacist in various conditions. Next drawing is prepared by Vidhi Sharma from BPharm second year, and she explains pharmacists are the life savior. Next drawing. According to pharmacist responsibilities and working, Rasika Kolle from BPharm second year, she have made this drawing and displayed. Next one. Vedanti Tade from BPharm second year, she have prepared this drawing and shown the pharmacist community for the formulation and development. Next one. The next drawing is prepared by Kanchan Dandar from BPharm third year student. She have mentioned all the criteria and all the parameters regarding the life of pharmacist. Next one. This drawing is prepared by Vaishnavi Apturkar from BPharm second year student. She have explained the role of pharmacist in pandemic situation to increase the new action to enhance the COVID patient care. Next one. This drawing is prepared by Akanksha Zadav from BPharm second year, DRG COP. She have prepared this drawing with imagination of formulation and role of pharmacist. Next one. This drawing is prepared by Poonam Rathod from BPharm second year, DRG IOP. She have imagined the role of pharmacist in drug development and its uses and its potential for community. Okay, thank you so much.